Hi, I'm Russ, and welcome to offroadexplorer.com. And we're in the Off-Road Explorer garage, and we've been off the air for the last 6 months because we've moved from our previous location. And I would have liked to have thought it would have been a bit of an upgrade, but unfortunately it hasn't been. But we've done a lot of work, cleaned the place up, and I've decided to show you my new project bike, and this time it's not a Tenere. Okay, there's a couple of reasons why I bought this bike, and the main reason is it's a lot cheaper. And in this day and age with the cost of living crisis, I actually got rid of two Teneres, a standard T7 and a World Raid that I had, and I both loved those bikes. They were fantastic and wish I still had one. But after riding this bike on the Outback trip that I did with Australian Adventure Bike Magazine on their 450MT project bike, which I applied the decal kit to, and you can see it on the channel doing that installation, and also the CG unit. I just love the bike. It was easier for me to handle. I'm not a huge stature, so this size bike really works for me. And the 450 Twin is a great motor, and sure, it's a bit KTM-ish, maybe, but it's not a bad bike, and it's just excellent value for money. So I thought that I'd give this one a crack. So what we're going to do is get this bike ready for a trip to the 50th anniversary Think race. And I'll be doing that with Clubby from Adventure Bike Magazine, Stephen Gall, and a couple of other guys who are veteran Think racers, which is kind of fairly intimidating. So I've got to do two things, is get this bike out back ready with a bit more protection on it, but I'm also going to do it to a budget. I've managed to afford some trick parts for it, and I've also had to go as tight as I possibly could, been browsing AliExpress and found some bits on there too. But let's see if they work, if they've a value, and we'll see how it goes. And the only thing I've done to this bike is pull the plastic off the speedo display. So I'm looking forward to doing a few things on this bike, and we'll be posting some installation or fitting of different accessories on the bike as we go. And it'll be basically me getting prepared for the Think ride in July.